How to request an e-invoice via QR code in QNE Optimum. Overview. Sometimes customers forget to request an e-invoice at purchase. QNE Optimum makes it easy to get your e-invoice anytime after the sale using a QR code printed on the invoice. For example, a customer buys from your store but didn't ask for an e-invoice. Later, they scan the QR code on their printed invoice to request it online. Solution. Step 1. Ensure module is enabled. This feature is available for cloud hosting users who have the E-Invoice Advanced Automation module. Step 2. Generate the sales invoice with QR code. When you print a sales invoice such as a cash sales in SR05 format, a QR code will appear at the bottom of the invoice. Step 3. Customer scans the QR code. The customer can scan the QR code using their phone, which redirects them to the QNE E-Invoice Issuance Portal. Step 4. Enter customer details. Once the customer scans the QR code, the system redirects them to the QNE E-Invoice Request Portal. They fill in their information accordingly and click the Request E-Invoice button. Step 5. Download validated e-invoice. A confirmation window will then prompt for approval, and the customer simply needs to click Submit to proceed. When the e-invoice is validated by MyInvoice, the status changes to Valid, and the customer can download the validated e-invoice. The status may also show as Submitted while the request is being processed. Customers can refresh the portal to check the latest status. Step 6. Check back-end system status. At the back-end, the e-invoice status for the cash sales transaction also updates to Valid, and the customer information under the Customer tab is updated accordingly. Note on updating invalid information. If the submitted details are invalid, the system will show an invalid status. Customers can then click the Back to Submission form button to update their information and resubmit. Reminder: this e-invoice request feature is available in QNE Optimum version 2025.1.6.0 and above. This feature simplifies compliance and provides flexibility, allowing your customers to easily obtain their e-invoices even after the sale is complete.
QNE Optimum, your trusted partner in simplifying accounting. E-invoice ready.